Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize content creation with Canva, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Canva account or create a new account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard interface. Click on the Create a Design button at the top right. Choose the type of content you want to create, like a social media post or presentation. Explore the available templates to find one that resonates with your style. Select a template to open it in the design editor. Use the toolbar on the left side to customize the template elements. Click on any text box to edit the content and replace it with your own. Use the font menu to change the style, size, and color of your text. Highlight important points by bolding or enlarging specific sections. To add images, click on the Photos tab. Search for images relevant to your content using keywords. Drag and drop your chosen images onto the canvas. Adjust the size and position of images to complement your text. Explore the Elements tab to find icons, shapes, and lines to enhance your design. Utilize the color palette to maintain a consistent theme across your content. To add additional pages, click on the Add a New Page button below your current design. Repeat the customization process for each new page as needed. When satisfied with your design, click on the Share button at the top right. Select the Download option to save your content in the desired format. Choose the appropriate file type, like PNG or PDF, depending on your needs. Finalize your download settings and click on the Download button. Now your content is optimized and ready for sharing. Remember to save your design in Canva to revisit and make edits later. Explore additional features like animations and transitions for dynamic presentations. Consider using Canva's Brand Kit for consistent branding across all your projects. With practice, you'll feel more confident in creating engaging content using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.